Hi students, let's see exercise 3.6 question number 2. I'll read the question once. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. First question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So in this question, we want to find out the speed of Ritu and the speed of the water current. Ready? So we'll write first. Let x be the speed of Ritu and y be the speed of water current. Now see, in this question, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours, isn't it? That means we will take speed in downstream. Speed in downstream means what will happen? The speed of Ritu and the speed of water should add it. That means the current speed. That means x plus y. That means the speed of Ritu and the speed of water current we have to add it. Ready? That is belongs to the speed in downstream. Same way, if you want the speed in upstream, what will happen? Speed in upstream. Speed in upstream equals x minus y. Ready? Check the question now. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. We know one equation, that is speed equals distance by time. Now, if I am taking downstream, what will happen? Speed we got already x plus y. And check it now, in the case of downstream, how much distance Ritu is moving? Distance traveled by Ritu in downstream is 20 km, isn't it? And of course, the time taken by her is 2 hours. Ready? And we know that speed equals distance by time. According to this, speed equals, what is that? X plus y equals, this is speed. Speed equals distance by time. Distance by time means 20 by 2. We'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. That means we are getting x plus y equals 10. This is equation number 1. Ready? Now, for upstream. For upstream, the speed is already given. Speed. We got it already. Speed is x minus y. Check it. In the case of downstream, what is the distance and time? Distance is 4 km, isn't it? So distance equals 4 km and time taken by Ritu is 2 hours, isn't it? Ready? Therefore speed equals, speed means what you write? X minus y. This is speed. Speed equals distance by time. That means 4 by 2. Distance for time is 2. Ready? We'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So we got it x minus y equals to this equation number 2. So now we got equation 1 and 2. Just we can add it. Adding equation 1 and 2. If you add the equation 1 and 2, it will be easy to solve it. That means what you'll do? X plus y equals 10. That's equation number 1. And after that, second equation is x minus y equals 2. That is second equation. Ready? Now adding time, what will happen? Plus. While adding time, plus y minus y will cancel. After that, x plus x, 2x equals 10 plus 2, that is 12. Ready? Both sides we can cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. That means therefore x equals 6. Now what do you do? Put x equals 6 in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 implies, see the first equation, what is that? X plus y. That means in place of x, what you will write? 6. 6 plus y equals 10. X plus y equals 10, isn't it? So this implies y equals 10. 6 goes next side, minus 6 equals 4. Therefore, Ridu's speed equals x, isn't it? X means what you'll write? 6. Speed means we have to write in kilometer per hour. Speed of water current. Water current equals 4. Y means 4 kilometer per hour. Ready? Let's go to the next question. The second question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by 1 man alone. Ready? First we will write, let the time taken to finish the work by 1 woman equals, by 1 woman equals, what will be? We are taking just x days. Ready? After that, by 1 man. 1 man, what you will do? 1 man equals y days. This is assuming, first you will write, let time taken to finish the work by 1 woman equals x days, and by 1 man to complete the entire work is y days. Therefore, 1 woman's 1 day work equals 1 by x. The entire days is x, so 1 day's work will be 1 by x, and 1 man's 1 day's work, 1 day's work equals 1 by y. Now see the question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, isn't it? That means what you'll do? In 4 days, how many women? 2 women plus 5 men can complete 1 work, 1 embroidery work. See, in 4 days, 2 women and 5 men can complete the 1 work. Ready? That means 4 into 2 into. See, women's 1 day work, that is 1 by x plus 5 into men 1 day's work, 1 by y equals 1. This implies, just we are keeping 4 outside, 2 by x plus 5 by y equals 1. Of course 4 we can carry to next side. That means 2 by x plus 5 by y equals, 4 goes next side, it will be divided by, that means 1 by 4. This is equation number 1. See the balance question. While 3 women and 6 men finish it in 3 days. See, in 3 days, how many women? 3 women and 6 men can finish the 1 work. Ready? That means 3 into woman's 1 day's work, 1 by x, plus 6 into men's 1 day's work, that is 1 by y equals 1. Now what you will do? 3 by x, this 3 will carry to next side. 3 by x plus 6 into 1 by y, that is 6 by y equals 1, and of course 3 goes next side, it will be divided by. Ready? This is equation number 2. Now what you will do means, let 1 by x equals p and 1 by y equals q. We are substituting. Therefore, equation 1 implies, the first equation, what will happen? 2 by x, that means 2 into 1 by x, that means what you will write? 2p. 2p plus 5q equals 2p plus 5q equals 1 by 4. That is equation number 3. After that, equation 2 implies, what will happen to equation 2? Equation 2 will be 3p plus 6q equals 1 by 3. This is equation number 4. Now we will equating the coefficients. See, here we will multiply 3 and here we will multiply 2. That means the third equation will multiply 3 and the fourth equation will multiply 2. That means they are multiplying equation 3 into 3. This implies equation 3 into 3. That means what will happen? 3 into this entire equation, that is 2p plus 5q equals 1 by 4 implies what will happen? 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, 6p plus now 3 into 5, that is 15q equals now 3 into 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. This is equation number 5. After that, multiplying equation 4 into 2 implies we will multiply equation 4 into 2. That means 2 into the fourth equation 3p, see 3p plus 6q equals 1 by 3 implies what will happen? 2 into 3, that is 6, 6p. Now 2 into 6, that is 12, q equals now 2 into 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. This is equation number 6. Ready? Now what you will do means, see 6p here we got it in the sixth equation, and of course in the fifth equation we got it 6p, isn't it? Now what you will do? That means you will write subtracting equation 6 from equation 5. Ready? That means fifth equation we will write first. Fifth equation is 6p plus 15q equals 3 by 4. This is equation number 5. And the sixth equation 6p plus 12q equals 2 by 3. This is equation number 6. Now we will subtract, minus. So when you subtract, here will become minus, minus, minus. Now 6p minus 6p will cancel. Then 15q minus 12q, 15 minus 12, that is 3q equals. This one will write 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Ready? See, we will subtract, minus. Now we will go for LCM. 4 3s are 12. Ready? Now this 3 will multiply to here. So 3 into 3, 9 minus 4 2s are. See, we will multiply this way. So 4 2s are 8. Ready? This equals 9 minus 8, that is 1 by 12. So we got it 3q equals 1 by 12. See, this implies q equals, see this 3 is multiplying, goes next side will divide. That means 1 by 12 into 3 equals 1 by 36. Ready? Now what you will do? Put q equals 1 by 36 in equation, any one of the equation you can apply. Ready? So just I will put into the third equation. What is the third equation? Put equation number 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies, what will happen to the third equation? That is 2p plus 5. In place of q, what you will write? 1 by 36 equals 1 by 4. Ready? This implies, see, 2p plus 5 by 36. 5 by 36 equals 1 by 4. Ready? Now, 2p equals 1 by 4 is already there. 5 by 36 goes next side. Minus 5 by 36. We will take the LCM as 36. Now, 4 into how much you will get? 36. 4 9s are 36. That means 9 will multiply in the numerator. And means 1 9s are 9 minus. Here will be same because the denominators are same. That means 9 minus 5. So we got it. 2p equals 9 minus 5 means 4 by 36. Both sides we can cancel 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this implies p equals 2 by 36. But we can cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 18s are 36. That means p equals 1 by 18. Therefore, p equals 1 by 18. P equals 1 by 18 means 1 by x equals 1 by 18. That implies x equals 18. Ready? And Q equals 1 by 36, isn't it? See, Q equals 1 by 36. That means this implies Q means 1 by Y equals 1 by 36. So when you cross multiply, you can understand Y equals 36. A woman alone can complete the embroidery work in 18 days. In the same time, a man can complete it in 36 days. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let's see the third question. I'll read the question once. Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Ready? So we will write first. Let x be the speed of the train and y be the speed of the bus. Ready? After that, we should know one equation. Speed equals distance by time. So if you want time equal distance by speed, don't forget. Ready? Now let's see. Ruhi traveled 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. First case, she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train. See case 1. First case 1. What happened? If she travels 60 kilometers by train, that means distance traveled by train equals what? Distance traveled by train equals 60 kilometer. Distance traveled by bus means the balance. Balance means total is 300 minus 60. That means what you will get? 240 kilometer. Ready? And of course, the time taken for the entire journey is 4 hours. That means time equals 4 hours. Ready? That means if you want to find out time, what you will do? Distance by speed, isn't it? That means what you will do? The first distance by speed. First case, in the case of train, what is the distance? 60 divided by speed of the train. Speed of the train we took already x, isn't it? That means 60 by x plus, this is actually the time taken by the train. Now, time taken by the bus means what will happen? 240 divided by y equals, total time is 4 hours. Right. We will cancel throughout by 2. Ready? That means 2 3s are 6. And after that, 0. Now, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That means this 0 again. That means 2 into 12 will get 24, isn't it? After that, 2 2s are 4. Again, we can cancel by 2. That means what you will get? 2 15s are 30, 2 6 are 12. Ready? That means 60. Again, 2 1s are. So, this equation we got now 15 by x plus 60 by y equals 1. Ready? Now what I am going to do means I am dividing throughout by 15. Ready? That means dividing by 15. This implies what will happen? 15 by x into 15 divided by 15 plus 60 divided by y into 15 equals 1 by 15. See, 15 will cancel. 15 1s are, 15 4s are 60. Ready? We will get 1 by x plus. See, we will get here only 1. So, 1 by x plus 4 by y equals 1 by 15. This equation number 1. Ready? Now, second case. There is case 2. See now, she travels 100 kilometers by train. This time, she travels 100 kilometers by train. That means distance traveled by train equals 100 and the remaining by bus. Remaining by bus means what you'll do? Distance traveled by bus equals, total is 300. So 300 minus 100 equals 200. See, the time is already given 10 minutes longer, isn't it? So we'll write time equals, already here 4 hours. That means we'll write 4 hour plus 10 minute equals. So what you'll do? 4 hour is already hour, so no need to convert. But the minute will convert into hour. What you'll do? Divided by 60. Then this become hour, isn't it? Now 0, 0 will cancel. So this implies what you'll get, we'll go for the LCM 6. That means 6 if you take, what will happen? We'll multiply this 2, isn't it? So 6 4s are 24. So 24 plus 1 hour, isn't it? Equals 24 plus 1, that is 25 by 6 hour. This is the time for the second journey. Now we got actually the total time is 25 by 6 hours, isn't it? That means the time taken by the train plus time taken by the bus. That means time taken by the train means by the speed of the train plus distance traveled by bus. Distance traveled by bus is 200 divided by the speed of the bus is y equal the total time, that is 25 by 6. Ready? The entire place we are going to cancel by 25. I am going to cancel by 25. So 25 4s are 100. Ready? Now 25, how many times? 25 into 8 times. If you have doubt, multiply and check it. 25 into 8, 200. 25 ones are 25. So we got it. This implies 4 by x plus 8 by y equals 1 by 6. Ready? Now what I am going to do? Dividing by 4 implies. All the place I am going to divide it by 4. That means what will happen? 4 by x into 4 plus 8 by y into 4 equals 1 by 6 into 4. All the place we are dividing by 4. That means 4 will cancel 1. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. Here will be multiplying, isn't it? Direct. That means this implies 1 by x plus 2 by y equals 1 is 6 4s are 24. Ready? That means this is equation number 2. We got actually the first equation is 1 by x plus 4 by y equals 1 by 15, and the second equation 1 by x plus 2 by y equals 1 by 24. So it's no need to do any other step. Direct we can write subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Ready? That means the first equation we'll write first. That means 1 by x plus 4 by y equals 1 by 15. And here what will happen? Here we'll write 1 by x plus 2 by y equals 1 by 24. See, this is equation number 1 and this equation number 2. When you subtract, what will happen? This will become minus. Here will be minus, here also minus. See, 1 by x minus 1 by x, what will happen? Will cancel, isn't it? Then the balance, what is that? 4 by y minus 2 by y equals, this minusing, 1 by 15 minus 1 by 24. So we got it now. So this implies, see, here what you can do? We can take direct LCM as y upside. What will do? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 equals. Here what you'll do? Here we got it 15 and 24. So we have to go for LCM. That means what you'll do? 24 and 15. Actually we are going to get 120 and we will do it to understand. So 2 12s are 24 and 15 will bring down. Again by 2 6 are and 15 will bring down. Again by 2 3s are 6, 15 will bring down. Now we cannot do by 2, we'll try by 3. 3 1s are, 3 5s are 15, isn't it? Now by 5 5 1s are. So LCM equals, see, 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 15 this one into 2, that is 30. 32 is 60. 62 is 120. So we got it LCM as 120. Ready? So we got it here 120. After that, what you will do? Here the denominator is 15. So 15 into how much you will get? 120. Ready? Actually by 8, or if you have doubt, to mean 120 divided by this denominator 15 you have to take. When you cancel, you are going to get 8. Ready? So I am writing here direct 8. So 15 into 8 you will get 120. That means you will write 1 into 8, that is 8. Minus, now 24 into how much you will get? 120. 24 into how much you will get? 120. 24 5s are. Ready? 25 5s are 120. That means 1 into 5, 5. Ready? See? 15 into 8 will get 120. 24 into 5 will get 120. Ready? So this way we will apply here. This implies what you will do? 4 minus 2, that is 2 by y equals 8 minus 5, that is 3. 3 by 120. Now both numerator and denominator by 3 will cancel. 3 ones are 3 4s are, that means 40. That implies we got it 2 by y equals 1 by 40. This implies we will cross multiply now. See, y into 1, that is y. Y equals 4 2s are 8. That means 40 into 2, that's 80. Ready? Now what you will do? Put y equals 80 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies the first equation. What is the first equation? 1 by x. So 1 by x plus 4 by y. So 4 by, in place of y we will write 80 equals 1 by 15. Ready? 1 by 15. Ready? Now we will cancel here by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. After 0 we will write. That means this implies 1 by x plus 1 by 20 equals 1 by 15. That implies 1 by x equals 1 by 15 is already in the right side. This 1 by 20 goes next side will minus. That means minus 1 by 20. Ready? This implies 1 by x equals, now see, we will take the LCM for 15 and 20. Which will be the LCM? We can take it as direct. I am taking 60 as the LCM. If you have doubt, you check it. Okay. So 60 as the LCM. Now 15 into how much you will get? 60. 15 2s are 30. 15 4s are 60. That means 4 will multiply. Minus 20 into how much you will get? 60. 20 3s are. Ready? That implies we will get 1 by x equal 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 60. Let's cross multiply. That means x equals 60. Ready? That means the speed of train and speed of bus, we got it. Therefore, speed of train equals x equals 60 kilometer per hour, and the speed of bus equals y equals 80 kilometer per hour. Ready? So we got it now, the entire chapter 3. So what you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the next chapter. Okay. Bye my dears.